Welcome. If you want to keep your Discord community safe and free from spam, setting a high moderation level is one of the best steps you can take. Today, I'll guide you through the updated process to set the highest moderation level on your Discord server, all in just a few simple steps. First, open up the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, select the server where you want to boost the moderation level. You can find your servers listed on the left side of your screen. Tap the server you want to manage. Now look to the top of your screen. You'll see either 3 dots or the server's name. Tap on that. This will open up the main menu for your server. From here, choose Settings. This is where all the important configuration options for your server are located. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find Moderation. Tap on it to access all the moderation tools Discord offers. Inside the Moderation section, you'll see the option for Moderation Level. Here, you can choose the level that fits your needs. For maximum protection, select High. This will require new users to have a verified email and be a member of your server for at least 10 minutes before they can send messages. This step helps block spam accounts and keeps your community safer. Once you've selected High, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or confirmation message to ensure your new settings are applied. And that's it. Your server is now set to a high moderation level, making it much harder for bots and bad actors to disrupt your community. Remember, you can always adjust these settings later if your needs change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer Discord experience.